Welcome to Fort Vancouver Regional Library's Introduction to 3D Design. This training fulfills the 3D design requirement to certify for 3D printing at Fort Vancouver Regional Libraries. 3D printer certification allows users independent access to the library's 3D printers. For more information and to certify, please view the virtual 3D printer certification training available online. To complete this workshop, you will need to sign up for a free Tinkercad account. Visit tinkercad.com to register. The objectives for this workshop are to provide an introduction to 3D modeling and 3D printing basics, provide printer specs for the library's Lulzbot Mini 3D printers, provide some basic best practices for getting started with 3D design, introduce some 3D design and 3D printing resources. This workshop concludes with a simple hands-on 3D design project. This project is a great first print if you choose to certify and use the 3D printers for your own projects. 3D printing is defined as the action or process of making a physical object from a three-dimensional model, typically by layering down many thin layers of a material in succession. The Lulzbot Mini uses additive manufacturing to build models. Fort Vancouver Regional Libraries uses PLA, polylactic acid, plastic filament on all 3D printers. There are many different tools for creating 3D models based on intended use. Today's workshop will cover creating solid models for 3D printing. The basic concept of 3D design is designing an object along three dimensions, X, Y, and Z. To ensure your file is compatible with the library's 3D slicing software, please export models in STL format. It's important to know the limitations of the 3D printer when designing your model. The Lulzbot Mini 3D printer used by the library has a 6-inch print bed, approximately 152 millimeters. The maximum print area is 5 3/4 inches. However, an object this size would be difficult to complete during the time allotted for certified use. The library recommends breaking up larger files into smaller printable pieces that can be assembled after printing is complete. The Lulzbot Mini minimum layer height is 1 millimeter. Designing pieces smaller than 1 millimeter may lead to print failure. The model we are building today is roughly 30 millimeters by 60 millimeters by 2 millimeters, or 1.18 inches by 2.36 inches by 0.07 inches. This size takes approximately 45 minutes to print on the library's Lulzbot Mini printers. When getting started with 3D design, you are likely to have more success if you design flat objects to minimize print failure. Objects with overhangs or intricate and detailed pieces are more difficult to print. When learning 3D design skills, don't rush. Know that it takes time to build new skills. Know where the undo button is. Make the most of tutorials. The library uses Tinkercad, which is a free tool available online and has a huge community of users. You can find tutorials within Tinkercad and elsewhere on the internet, including YouTube. When learning 3D design skills, start with simple modeling software. Tinkercad is a great 3D design tool for beginners. Many of the skills you learn in Tinkercad are transferable to more complex 3D design tools. Know the available print area and minimum layer height for the printer you are working with. It is also important to understand the limitations of the printing filament. The library printers all use PLA plastic filament. PLA is biodegradable and fumeless. It has a lower melting temperature than other plastic filaments. Objects printed using this filament should not be left in heat for extended periods of time, such as in a hot car in summer. Objects printed using this filament are not meant to hold up to high pressure or stress. All objects printed using library equipment are meant for prototyping purposes. There are several free 3D design tools with different capabilities. This workshop focuses on Tinkercad. Other free tools include SketchUp and Blender. When you are learning how to create 3D models, it can be useful to see what others have created. There are several websites dedicated to sharing 3D models. Thingiverse, MyMiniFactory, and NIH Exchange are all examples of sites that provide files for personal use, including replacement pieces for household items, museum models, and personal protective equipment. The Intro to 3D Design project is a simple keychain. This project will introduce you to many of the tools within Tinkercad that can be used to create unique 3D printable objects. This concludes Intro to 3D Design. Continue on to the next video, the Tinkercad Workplane.